Incorporate offshore.
It's offshore.
Oh, Lavano offshore.
Offshore of Siberia. Girlfriend's offshore account.
Offshore. Boat race.
Like 30 miles offshore.
Boat anchored offshore.
To an offshore account with an offshore oil rig.
Bias.
Confirmation bias?
Institutional bias.
Confirmation bias.
Promote a particular bias.
Joe Bias Industries. Go by.
Or it's confirmation bias.
Unprejudiced, free of bias.
Listening without bias.
This is cultural bias.
Yes, I am.
You're biased.
Are heavily biased.
Would seem biased.
Why be biased?
And so, I'm biased.
I'm biased, though.
That sounds pretty biased.
Not to be biased.
You think I'm biased?
Unbiased.
Completely unbiased.
I am unbiased.
Brought to you by Unbiased Undies.
See? An unbiased opinion.
Unbiased version of.
Biased voice of justice.
Varnished, unrehearsed, and unbiased appraisal.
The banks will remain unbiased.
A fair and unbiased juror.
Your skirt.
My skirt.
Statute to skirt.
My skirt.
My skirt!
Remember that day?
What skirt?
Stupid skirt. Stupid skirt. My skirt!
Flood the skirt. Flood the skirt, I.
Short on your skirt.
Western outskirts. Sector 3.
Boring on the outskirts of town.
Skirt of Smolensk.
Free on the outskirts of town.
On the outskirts of town.
On the outskirts of Fairview.
On the outskirts of Paris.
I'm on the outskirts of the city.
On the outskirts of Gotham City.
Is it far? It's on the outskirts.
Shirt.
Shirt.
Shirt! 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 Shirt!
Okay. Hey, t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Hey, t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt.
T-shirt?
T-shirt.
T-shirt. Get your t-shirt.
Avengers t-shirt.
Or T-shirt. New T-shirt.
Hey, t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt.
How are you sweatshirting this sweatshirt? My sweatshirt!
Fox sweatshirt. You get a sweatshirt. You get a sweatshirt. I get a sweatshirt.
Letters on her sweatshirt?
My sweatshirt, I want.
That's Amy's sweatshirt.
That's her sweatshirt.
That's my sweatshirt.
Short.
Short? Short.
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 Pumped.
Short!
Short.
Manpower shortage.
The shortage.
The physician shortage.
Blood shortage first. But there's no shortage of people.
Oh, the water short.
A penny shortage.
Hello? Lana? Prune shortage?
You'll have no shortage.
Leonard's doing it. A beef shortage.
Shorts.
Shorts. It's a
Man in short shorts.
no leggings, jeggings, short skirts, short shorts.
Who likes short shorts?
Comings. But personal shortcomings notwithstanding.
I hope these shortcomings.
They point out my shortcomings.
Shortcomings?
Excuse me, Miss Burble.
No matter what is short.
Shorten that jabs, shorten the distance.
Shorten that pain.
Another inch. You got
Double the powder and shorten the fuse.
Shorten your sails there, campers.
Shorten up your reins, do that.
Shorten it to mousetrap.
Shorten your game hand.
Hair. Soften and shorten.
Operational shortfall.
The current shortfall stands at 7.
It will help us with the shortfall.
The housing bubble. There was a shortfall.
Blood is boiled by the slightest shortfall. I mean, you know, I expect a shortfall.
When we're talking about a $50 million shortfall.
Is this about a booking shortfall this month?
That's a 4-year shortfall. That's a hell of a die.
Shortfall in revenues. The governor's looking to limit bondage.
Shorthand, girls. That's shorthand.
You take shorthand? That's all shorthand.
It's cop shorthand. Lunch shorthand.
It's a shorthand. Why do you have a shorthand? Let's shorthand that too.
Friends have a shorthand.
That's our own shorthand for
Skirmish.
It's a skirmish.
Thermonuclear skirmish.
Skirmish.
My knights will skirmish.
Just an opening skirmish.
Definitely a skirmish here.
We lost a skirmish.
We skirmished to the death.
Apology rescinded. You can't rescind an apology.
I rescind it. I rescind it.
Rescind the spell. I rescind it. I rescind it so hard.
I rescind my offer.
I rescind our friendship.
I rescind my quitting.
Motion rescinded.
Invitation rescinded.
Again, shed it.
Shed my skin. Shed my skin.
Shed what?
A shed?
Like a shed.
No, not like a shed.
Trent, what's happening?
Crack? Yeah, no. Crack.
We can't risk a security crackdown.
Announce they are continuing their...
Apparently the FBI is assisting in a crackdown.
FBI's hostage rescue team has been coordinating a crack.
He's not playing ball with the crackdown, I'm guessing. Exactly the massive crackdown we were hoping for.
Received a bravery award for efforts in the resolution of Operation Crackdown.
Ones who were jailed during the big mafia crackdowns of the 1980s.
Cracker?
Cracker?
Cracker. Cracker.
Crack ass crackers.
Cracker.
Crack a bow, crack a ass.
Monkey clacker, monkey clacker.
Oh, cracker on a cracker.
Firecracker? Firecracker.
Firecracker.
Firecracker. You're the firecracker. Firecracker, firecracker. Boom, boom, boom.
Here, firecrackers.
No firecrackers!
No firecrackers.
Firecracker.
Firecrackers.
Crackle.
Crackle?
Crackle.
Shake.
Shake.
Shake!
Shake.
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 Shaky.
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 Shake. Handshake.
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 Handshake. Handshake.
Great handshake. Firm. Handshake buddies.
A handshake. A friendly handshake.
Sherry Shaker. Sherry Shaker.
Bill Shaker.
Bill Shaker.
Move a shaker.
Shaker Lake.
Pepper shaker.
Name? It's Sherry. It's Sherry Shaker.
Shaking.
Shaking.
Shaking, that's my department.
The thrill, thrill, thrill.
Thrill me.
And feel the thrill, thrill, thrill.
Thrilled. I'm so thrilled.
Thrilled.
Thriller.
Thriller.
What was that last one?
Thriller.
Thrilling.
Thrilling.
Thrilling?
Thrilling.
How thrilling.
How thrilling.
Thrilling. Simply thrilling.
Thrilled.
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 Thrill, thrill, thrill.
Thrilled.
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 Thrilled. I'm so thrilled.
No tremor.
If you tremor.
Psychogenic tremor.
It's yesterday and no tremor.
Yep.
So tremor or no tremor, I'll have to try.
As a tremor.
Terrible.
Terrible?
Terrible.
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 Terrible. Terrible.
Terribly.
Terribly.
Terribly, terribly funny.
Just terribly.
Terror.
Terror?
Terror. Fight terror with terror.
Terror is terrorized by...
We will fight terror with terror.
How about terror? Like actual terror.
Terror reigns.
And terror.
Terrorist.
Terrorist!
Potential terrorist is a terrorist. A potential terrorist is a terrorist.
To a terrorist or terrorist organization.
Terrorist reprogramming.
Terrifying?
Terrifying.
Terrifying.
Isn't she?
Terrifying.
Terrifying.
Terrifying.